To manually adjust light balance in a photo on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the photo you want to edit. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tone icon. While you are in the light balance section, you can see that it's set to auto by default. To adjust the light balance manually, drag the slider to the left or to the right. If you are happy with the result, tap save to save the change. Given to the function, you can use light balance tool to manually adjust the light balance to improve your photo's overall brightness and clarity. When your photo looks too dark or too bright, especially in tricky lighting conditions like backlight, shadows, or overexposed areas. Okay, thank you for watching. Please hit to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.